Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about TurmaCure Pain Relief Gel, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. TurmaCure is promoted as a turmeric and oil-based gel that soothes arthritis and joint pain. While the ingredient sounds promising, there's no solid scientific evidence supporting the dramatic claims made by the marketers. According to multiple sources, including Meridian Medical Center and Malware Tips, TurmaCure has several warning signs. Verified clinical studies prove it delivers the miracle pain relief it promises. The product name often changes to avoid bad news, which is a classic red flag. Customer service is reportedly unresponsive, and refund requests usually go unanswered. Many users report zero improvement and expected charges and difficulty contacting company. Now, for the final verdict, TurmaCure Pain Relief Gel appears to be more hype than help. It's not a breakthrough treatment, and it is likely a scam built around exaggerated claims. If you're dealing with pain, your best bet is to consult a doctor or physical therapist and stick with proven therapies. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.